Hey everyone, quick geometry challenge for you. We've got an equilateral triangle ABC. From the top vertex see a perpendicular altitude CD drops to the base, and CD equals 5. What's the length of one side, AC? Pause for 2 seconds, think about it. I'll show the full solution next. Alright, time to solve this. We have an equilateral triangle ABC, so all sides are equal. Call each side S. When we draw altitude CD, it hits the base at D, and because the triangle is equilateral, the altitude also bisects the base. That means AD equals DB equals S divided by 2. Now look at right triangle ACD. It's a right triangle with hypotenuse AC equals S, one leg AD equals S divided by 2, and the other leg CD equals 5. Use the Pythagorean theorem on triangle ACD. S squared is equal to S divided by 2 squared plus 5 squared. S squared is equal to S squared divided by 4 plus 25. S squared minus S squared divided by 4 is equal to 25, so 3S squared divided by 4 is equal to 25. S squared equals 25 times 4 divided by 3 is equal to 100 divided by 3. So S equals square root 100 divided by 3. That simplifies to S equals 10 divided by square root 3. Therefore the length of side AC is 10 square root 3 divided by 3.